Hi guys, good morning. Good morning Philippines. Yes, we still here in the Philippines guys. Let's drink coffee. I think time now is 6:30 a.m.
6:30.
No rain guys today. No rain so far. Maybe rain later, sometime like that. If not rain in the morning, rain in the afternoon. My husband watching me and laughing if I do me like this in the coffee. Like this guy. It is a Filipino style drinking coffee because the coffee is still hot, so we need to use this. By the way guys, Christmas is coming. I think 7 days. Christmas is coming 7 days. Yeah, Christmas is coming 7 days guys. Let's drink coffee guys. Thank you so much sa mga viewer and subscriber. We need to check out later guys. Transfer to the condo. Yay! Happy. Because we cook own food in the condo. Yeah. We need to go to SM palagay. Buy something needed. I have a list usually. Yeah. Because last we went to the SNR. We bought some of the stuff that cannot find in the SM. But if the stuff is have in SM, much better we need to buy in SM. Mostly some stuff in SNR and Landers guys, the pack is so very big. So I need to buy only a small pack. You know na. We need to travel different places in the Philippines. So that's why no need to buy more groceries. No need to buy more groceries guys. See you later guys. Ay, sorry. Dyan shopping guys. Hi guys, we here na guys from shopping in Baclaran. 7 o'clock and then we arrive in the hotel is 7:41. So we roaming around guys 1 hour and 40 minutes. Lot of people guys buying something gift for Christmas. And guess what I get? We bought this because I need to wrap the Andrea gift only. So that's why she is excited to open what is her gift. We buy this for her. But the adult, This one is 20 pesos, 20 pesos. So the other, my sister pajamas, I don't like to wrap that. Because usually, if you wrap that, you rip the wrap and then throw. So that's fine, only the kid. So exciting.
So 20 pesos is how much?
20 pesos, look like 60. Look like 35 cent. 35 cent, 35 cent. You must intelligent for the mathematics. And guess what I buy? I buy this guy including the box. And this one, Ate priced me 100 each. Very nice. 100 each. And I told we buy 3, how much? They give me the discount 20 pesos. So we pay the 3 we pay 280. 280 is, I don't know in 280 if 250
More.
$5, yeah.
Mm.
3 pieces of this guy, $5 and really good. So we choose this because I give this very nice. Give Sisi. Remember they like ano? Huh? Very nice. Hmm? They like carefully. Yeah. So we buy 3.
Hopefully she's not watching us.
Do you watch my video? Huh? They told you? They watch? Huh? Hopefully they don't watch. And this one mine. And of course this one mine. Very nice. I like this thing. And you, very nice because have box. This one is $5. And this one for Andrea because I'm trying to buy pajama Andrea but the wholesale of the kid is 6 pieces. That's a lot. So we choose na lang this. That one. Usually 50 pesos. And this one 50. Because no more mats eh.
Oh.
So this one that's fine. And this one dress. Overall dress. Right? 50 pesos. So we spend this
$3.
$3. Less than $3. Ay, less than $2. Like $250. And I go to Andrea this. 75 pesos, $1, ano? Because this is so nice. Okay. Ayan. Look at that. Very nice. The other, ano, no more light is 50 pesos, but we choose have light. So they can wear there in Christmas.
Put it on.
Ay, oh yeah. Look. This is fitment to sa kid guy or adult. Oh, look. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Very nice. Right? Thank you, mahal. To told me go shopping. My husband told me, oh, yesterday we do shopping and now they told, oh, go shopping again. Thank you, mahal. Go shopping again. And because you told me buy sack, we buy 3 pieces. This is 50 pesos. Less than $1. 50 pesos, guys. 3 pieces na siya. Next, because so ate selling banana, boiled banana, we bought this. 3 pieces, 20 pesos. Look like 35 cents. And this is the pajama we buy again. Usually only the one that I'm looking. I forgot which her store selling like this. We bought another dress, but this is different design. I think the other one. I don't know. The same. The same yesterday. But no red yesterday. So we choose the red. This is wholesale, guy, 3 pieces, because if you buy one, they give you 150, and if you buy 3, you need to pay only 100. So much better you need to buy wholesale. You have a very big discount in that area, because if you buy here outside, the price this is 150. And last but not the least, I have 10 new dress. We buy this for 200. Looks like $3.50, and so very nice. I like the design, right? You like the design? And this one, look, very nice. And the it's good. And 200 only, guys. If you buy wholesale, the discount only 20 pesos, eh. They give you 180 if you buy 3. A small discount, so that's why if they give me this very cheap, we buy 3. But the discount is 20 pesos, no way to buy 3. And that's it, guys. How much all? I don't know. And that's it, guys. The total all this guy is 1,095, and if convert for dollar is 19
Yeah.
$19.87.
$18.
Yeah, $18, yeah. 19 around up. So that's why it's not difficult. $19 everything this way. That's a lot. to the ano guy, the SM mall sukat make a grocery. Buy this one. Yes, bantig wait. This one. Hold on, shopping to. It's the olive oil. Without, of course. This. My parts will be my favorite. And this one pancake. And juice din. Ano yan? Tomatoes. Yap. Onion. And the Yakult. And this one. Butter. And the watermelon. Okay. I need to put in that. It's only working nicely. Put this in there. Ay, the juice pala. The juice. Inside 300 plus. Mayos lang sa this guy. Fruits. Dip this noodles. Magic powder. And we try this. Hopefully this is good. Pacquiao white 3-in-1 coffee. Si Pacman. And this one we try this guyaban tea guy. What is this? Open that. And this one. Potato. Spinach. Cleanse. And the boxer. And that's it. Then we spend 2,227 everything. And that's it. That's it guys. Our lunch for today. We order food from McDo. That's it. That's it guys. Kain tayo guys. My first lunch in the condo. We use this day. I need to use this. Let's eat guys. Kuya deliver the food guys using bicycle. It's not far here at the McDo. Look like I think 15 minutes. Not yet 15 minutes guys. The food still hot. Even the rice. And the chicken. Still hot. Thank you to Kuya. This is too much for me. Only one chicken is enough for me. Look at the other one, this one. Chicken McDo. Finally, I'm happy. Both happy guys because we're here now at the condo. We cook what we want. Keep hard on it, okay? I give you the meat, this is that, okay? It does look like you only, this one, lot of meat. Look, compared to the ano. I give you the, because I like to eat this. The ano, the crunchy. So that way I did. Oh, lot of,
Wow.
yeah, lot of meat. The other one for you is no. Why? I think it depends. So that way I give you because I saw you, you meet it. I was shocked, the meat is so big in mine. Maybe this is ano, for you. Don't worry, still have one. Yeah. Ito na video because this is bit long. Nagtapon ako ng basura. Dito ba? Ito yung Christmas tree.